Good afternoon, everybody. It's a beautiful day, but it's too hot. It's more than 90. Now, today you want to make a steak and a barbecue. I got the barbecue on, but still I want to wait a little bit to go a little high, this temperature. But at the same time, what I want to do, I want to start to put salt and black pepper on the steak. Now, we got a beautiful steak, and now we start with the sea salt I got. Okay, and we put a little bit of sea salt each steak. All right. A little more. Got the steak, you know, it got to taste really, really good. Now we put this salt back over here. Black pepper. All the time I do steak, I do hot pepper. Everybody know what you call this? Oh yeah, baby. And look how beautiful this one. But this is not mine yet. I was buy. But I got a mine too, started coming out. But still it's a little small. I gotta wait a little bit more. Okay, now the steak, what I did it this way. Now we turn the steak the other side like this, and we put salt, okay, and we use black pepper.
A lot of people are saying they see the video, so that's good news.
Thank you very much. Everybody can say it's me, okay? And I'm so happy. It's a long time, you know. The people say, Pasquale, why you not cook? I cook every Monday. We stop on Monday to cook, because not too many people was look at me. I'm so happy when I got a lot of people. It make me happy.
Yeah, see, look, I'm glad you're back. Welcome back. We missed you.
Yeah.
I see it. Thank God. I see you. Good job. Great news.
Thank you very much. Everybody, I go to the beach, everybody say, hey, Pasquale. A lot of people, you know, say to me, Pasquale, hey, shut up. Hey, shut up. He said, what happened? You not cooking no more? I say, I cook all the time. I don't know what happened with the Facebook, but I open now. Everything gets cleared up. And I'm so happy I got people today that look at me, and we make steak and a barbecue. Okay, now, look at this now. All right, now I come on this side over here. Okay, and we got to start with the steak. And let's put this one over here. Now, this you got to cook like 3 minutes, 3 minutes, both one side, 3 on the other side. And let's go.
Hey, Carol and Joel, thank you for the stars. Appreciate that.
A3, look at that, look how beautiful.
It fit?
At the same time, look, I put some of the pepper, and let's turn off. Okay, now we got everything over here. Now we gotta wait a little bit. I don't know, I got my garden, it's so beautiful. But this I gotta wait now 3 minutes. I don't want to burn. I gotta make sure I turn to the other side.
Maybe just the fig trees, or it's right here, right?
Well, you want to see the fig tree over here? This one? Look,
yeah, let's do a little garden tour real quick.
Look how beautiful.
Can somebody do timer 2.5 minutes, please?
Okay, look at that. All right. Oh. Look at that.
It's big.
He got a fig inside, but you know, see, he got too many leaves. Okay? And this is my garden over there. And still I got more on the back too. And I got the blueberry. Look at that. I got a blueberry over here. I cover, got the birds I don't want to eat, the birds eat my blueberry. And this is the,
Oh, yeah.
look at this. Look how beautiful. Huh?
Huh, nice. Very nice.
Yeah, really nice.
Oh, look, this one. Is this one done?
Look at that. Look how beautiful. Oh, this, I don't want to touch. My wife, she come every morning. Pick and she eat every single morning. Okay, now let's go again on the steak.
You staying hydrated? What are you having, wine?
Yeah. I'm so happy for everybody. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope it's like this when I cook all the time. Thank you so much. I never was happy. When I was in Italy, I was working in Torino. Everybody said to me, the Channel 2 News, he asked me. She come in over here. He said, you really happy now or before? I said, nobody believe me. I'm so happy now. Never this people look at me. Nobody was looking. But today, I'm so happy because the people come back and they see the way I'm cooking. Okay, now maybe it's 3 minutes.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's check.
Nice. What do you guys say? Well done? Medium? How do you guys like your steak cooked?
Okay. Look how beautiful. Now, 3 more minutes on this other side. I really like rare. My son like me rare. My wife Miriam. You know, I like when it's nice and juicy. That's the way it's supposed to be, like this. Okay, look. I got a figure 3 over here, too. Every place. And I also planted this flower over here. Look how beautiful, look at this little flower. Look, I put on the pots over here.
Oh, you got tomatoes?
A tomato over here. You got a little tomato started coming up. But I got a more tomato in the back. I put over here, like this when we eat, over here we see the tomato and the flower. And I got a cucumber. You saw the cucumber, Jeremy?
Where is it?
Look at that. I got it right over here. Now maybe you can see. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Look, I got a 3 cucumber. 1, 2, and 3. Now I put the stick. When it start to grow, you see this? It start to go on the top. After the cucumber hang. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's just see the pepper now. Now the pepper will take a little longer. Okay. All right.
What do you think, another minute for the steaks?
Yeah, you know, I live a little bit longer than one of my wife. She like Miriam, but I like when it's a nice rare, very rare. Okay. Well, now we in Italy we have, you know, each family almost. In the winter time, you kill the pig. And the pig, when you kill the pig, the meat, we cook, and you cut it fresh right away. This we say in Italy, my city, we say like this, the dialect, and we say like this, carne de porc, scalope, e minangorp. The pig meat, only what you do, you warm up and you eat. That's the dialect what it was saying. Yeah.
All right. Diana said it's been 6 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's just say maybe you gotta cook a little bit more, Jeremy. You wanna see?
Yeah, that one was good. Which one is yours?
Huh? 1 and 2. Okay. This one is mine. Right? You want to cook a little more?
You can take it out. I'm good.
I can take it out?
Yeah, take that one out.
Okay.
Just picked that one up earlier today.
All right, look at that. Nice and juicy.
I wanted to come here and cook it rather than at home because it's better on the barbecue, and I don't have one, so.
Okay, look at nice. We leave it stay a little bit more. If the pepper you gotta stay, it's okay, I'll leave it under the pepper. But inside we got some salad. I think my wife should make a mashed potato and fennel salad.
There was like oranges in it or something, right?
Yeah, yes, make a fennel salad with orange, mix it together.
Yeah, you could bring the salad out. Let's show everybody what the salad's all about.
Yes, yes.
Diana says she's going to bring it.
Okay, good. But the steak will look beautiful, Jeremy. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
That's great.
Okay, I'll leave it cook a little bit more. Okay, now this one, it's mine. All right.
Here's the salad.
Just needs the olive oil and lemon.
Okay, good. Look how beautiful.
What, are those cranberries?
Yeah. Oranges.
Fennel.
She's going to put shallots are there, fennel.
Yep. Okay, look good. Now,
Look at that.
what I need, but still maybe I gotta go take a walk on the beach. I gotta drive the car. Everybody know, when I drive, I don't drink. But after tonight, when I come back, I will drink. I was told long time ago, all the time, I say, so you go someplace, your son or your daughter go to party together, with the school or college, where it is, make sure the non-drink and drive. Now what happened, one, he said, it's good to get you told everybody, it's really nice. And like this, the kids bliss. It's good. Like, okay, all right, now, what do we do?
I think that's it. I mean, we just wanted to see if people will show up after doing the algorithm thing.
Okay.
And it looks like a lot of people showed up, even at 2 p.m. So thanks for stopping by, everybody.
Okay, if this is done, and I want to say thank you very much, because we got more people today. It makes me happy. And we see next time. Now we got to decide what day we got to cook live again.
Yeah, let us know what day is the best. Is it a Monday or some other day during the week? And what time? What time is the best that you can make it? Let us know in the comments, please. Thank you.
Yes.
And
everybody let me know. And like this, we cook. For me, it's okay. Any time of the day, it's okay at the time of it. Thank you very much. If somebody give some of the star, I will say thank you very much again. And we see next time. I hope I got more people next time. Salute, e cin cin, but tonight, not now. Thank you.